Hi, this is Harpe Designs. Let's get started. Welcome back to my channel again. So today we'll be creating this animation here, this running cycle, and we'll be adding this menu animation also. On click we'll open the menu and then we'll close the menu also. That will be a pretty simple and short video. Let's jump into that. Okay guys, if you remember, we had these screens with us from our previous tutorial. So today we'll be adding the animations with cycle. Perfect. Let's move the cycle outside and actually ungroup it. I'll be needing just the tire here because we'll be animating the tire, right? Let's group it and then move it to the frame. Then I'll be creating 3 options for the same. So under this, let's rotate it to -179 degrees, because if I'll do the 180, then it will be just 180. There is no negative 180. So we have to stick to -179. Okay, so let's go for the third one. For this, I'll be going 180 only. Okay. So here 180. Let's create component set for these 3 of the layers. Now simply we just need to prototype them. There is a little catch. This I'll be telling you right away here only. So let's prototype the first frame to the second one. Let's keep it after delay. It should be running right away. So 1 millisecond frame this smart animate. Let's keep it linear. It should be in 3 seconds. Why we are keeping the curve linear? Because the cycle tires doesn't go like slow, then fast, then slow. There is no curve to that, right? It's always linear. Whenever you are using a cycle, the tires run like this only, like it's a linear. There is no ease in, ease out animation in that. So we'll be keeping it linear only. Okay, so this one was 180 degrees. Sorry, this one was -179 degrees. Then we are prototyping it to the 180 degrees. Again, this will be after delay 1 millisecond. This will do the instant, because that is just 1 degree and we don't need to spend any time or any animation for 1 degree. For 1 degree, we just want it to be instant. And trust me, this is not even visible. I have done it already. So you can trust me on that. Okay, then the last one, we'll prototype it back to the first one, but again, based on after delay 1 millisecond. Then we'll keep it smart animate, we'll keep it 3 seconds linear again. So this way we'll have a loop animation. Okay, let's just add it here only. So component, let's play. Here we go. We have this animation. It's running smoothly linear. There is no pause or there is no glitch either. I told you 1 degree it's not even visible. That too, it's very instant, so we won't be able to notice it. So now we'll be adding this animation to our this main frame, right? So just a second. Here I'll be making a couple of changes because if I ungroup it, there are so many layers, right? So let's remove the tires from here as we have the animated tires. Let's group it, then move it back. I'll align it back. Yeah, let's remove this one. Now we'll be adding the tires from our assets. Okay, let's align it here. Same goes for the back one here. This layer will bring to the front. Then always you can right click on your layer and you can always bring to front, right? Or you can use the same shortcut here. Okay, let's see if that works for us. So here we go, it's working now, right? So once it is done, there'll be one glitch I'll show you. In fact, once the this whole animation starts, see, the tires are not running while the actually cycle is moving, but it should the tire should be running when the cycle is moving. To sort this issue, what we can do is, once this is prototyping, we can just add a rotation to these frames directly. Let's keep it 179, as we know 180 minus 180 is not a variable here, so we have to go with that. So there you go, right? It's smooth now. So whenever your cycle is running, your tires are also running. So once your animation is completed, the whole page to page animation is completed, we still have our tires as components which are running linearly, right? So that will be there. So far so good. This is done from our side. So we'll be adding this menu animation here. Okay, for that, let's add a circle just here. Let me move to the files. I press O to select the circle. Don't keep it in the frame. Fair enough. On Z black, move it on top of the center one, I guess. Yeah. See, this is not aligned. Now it's aligned. Fair enough. Now we'll copy paste the whole frame. Okay. Now we'll increase the size of this circle. It will be really big. Or maybe this big. Let's see. Even more, because we want to cover the whole case, right? Always keep your upper layers to the front. Same goes for this one on the top. Now we have this thing, right? Let's add the menu. I'll be using the same icon. Okay. Let's go for know about us. Keep it 50. How we work. And then let's go to our products, and then okay, it should be small. Contact us. Fair enough. Just align the design however you like. So I'll keep this way. I'll add one rectangle. This one will be with fix fill container. Let's fill this one also. Okay. Fair enough. So when you press Command Alt C, it's gonna copy the style of that particular layer. So I just copied the background gradient from this page. Then I'll be selecting this layer. Then I'll be pressing Command Alt V to press the same style here also. Okay. So now let's move this whole animation thing to here. We'll have to reduce the size, I guess. Okay, fair enough. Let's see if this animation works here. We need to see that. Perfect, it's working totally fine, right? So now we just need to add the animation. Oh, there is one more thing. The close icon. Well, let's use this one. You remember this website, right? icons.getbootstrap.com. So we'll be adding it here. Color should be white. Please forgive me if you guys don't use plain white colors. I do use plain white and plain blacks. So even here I'm using the plain black. It's not that bad. Okay. Let's increase the size. Oh, that should be enough. Okay, fair enough. Let's see. Again, command / to hide the UI. Okay, so we have everything here. Now it's time to prototype. Okay, from here, if I click on the menu, it redirects us to this screen, which will be smart animated. Now it will be easy in, out. Again, we can keep it maybe 1 second, because menu shouldn't take too much time to show, right? It should be there like this. You click on that, there should be very minimal animation and it should be visible to the user, right? Let's see. Let me close it also. So on the close button, if a user click on the close, we redirect it to the back. Again, on click, smart animate, ease in, ease out, 1 second, more than enough. Let's close. It's too slow, isn't it? Let's make it maybe 7 milliseconds. Same goes for the close one. Decent. We still can increase, I guess. Let's do it together. Yeah, this seems perfect, right? But there is a challenge. If you see, whenever we click on the menu icon to open the menu, everything just appears. So let's add a little animation here also. How? It'll be quite simple. Just let me ungroup this first, then just copy paste your design once again. Move this one a little to the left, then 00 to make the opacity 0. This one to the little right, 00 to make the opacity right. Just 00 to the cross to opacity 0, and then prototype. So once we click on the menu icon, this whole screen goes black. Basically that circle goes opens up, right? So from that we need to show the screen. So from here we'll prototype to the main screen. Based on after delay, it will be 1 millisecond delay, because we want it to happen like right away. Again, smart animate, ease in, ease out. We can give it like 1 second to open. That should be fine. So close, it's already redirected here. Perfect. Let's see. So let me fit it to the screen. Yeah. So when we open, and here we go. Right? This seems pretty nice, I guess. So that's how it works now. Now we have the complete running animation. Then we open the menu, and it shows the whole menu here also. So in the next tutorial, what I'm thinking is we can just change this image based on the hover, and then once we click on that, how to move to the another screen and how it might will be looking like. We can play around that. Or if you guys have any idea what you guys might be looking for, we can go for it. Or I have one more option. We can use the do the parallax effect here also. Like on the mouse hover, we can, wherever we move, we can make the things moving here and there. So whatever you guys think is better, or whatever you guys think you want to learn, we can always go for it. Just let me know in the comments. We'll do that. Okay. Also, as always, I'll be adding these Figma files in the description. You can always go and check out. Also, I'll be adding our previous tutorial here also. If you want to learn how the landing animation was done, you can always go ahead and check out. Have a good day. Cheers.